is? Okay.
So, ang scene ko, jeep ko ni jeep. 1, 2, 3, action! Yes! Makauwi na ako. Nalabas ako. At magbabara na ako jeep. Para! Okay. Ayos naman. Sige, nandito na pala ako. Bye. Sabi ko, bata. Uy, ikaw na. We have to explain.
If you, yeah.
So, the first gesture, when I was about to ride the jeep, I said para. And I gesture my hand is like this. Signal the jeepney driver that I will be riding the jeep like that. And then, when I entered the jeep, a friend of mine saw me and called me attention saying, and then it was like, when I saw her, like, oh, and then I slapped her like this. And then, when nagbuba ako na yun.
Okay.
I saw my lola and to show respect, nag-isa. And when my friend and I were talking in the jeep, when she asked me if I know the other girl in the jeep, I said, I don't know, and